Hey y'all, coming to you from the international headquarters, ScottieDTV, but I was at the 2022 SEMA Show, and I came across this very cool 1986 Chevy pickup truck I think y'all are going to like. Let me get the camera turned around, we'll take a quick look at it.
Pandemic. I don't know what y'all were doing with all your time off, but the person that has this truck made good use of the time they had. So the truck was supposed to go to SEMA 2020 they canceled SEMA 2020 and the truck wasn't done. It got put on hold. So the current owner found out about that and purchased the truck, sight unseen. And the vision of the previous owner was conveyed to him, and yeah, he liked it. So he even sent it to the same interior shop, again, sight unseen. So he hasn't seen this truck yet, and he's bought it, no interior, no engine, no wiring, painted. And so he sends it and gets this custom interior, which, by the way, is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely top-notch, cool, fits the bill perfect. I absolutely love that steering wheel. Everything about it. I'm a fan of this truck. And gets it home and waits another period of time before he figures out what he's going to do next. So this is, in the end, what he decided he was going to do next. And I don't know if it was debuted at 2022 SEMA, but I don't think it's been done a long time. 24 custom inch wheels. I'm guessing all the way around, maybe 22s and 24s. The backs are 24s. I'm pretty sure of that. You know me, I don't know nothing but cool. So I did my research. I tried to do my homework on it. There again, you use Google, this is what you get. For LS427 all aluminum dart block, aluminum heads, twin 72mm turbos, putting out 1100 horse on pump gas, 91 octane. And if you have some E85 available, well, then you have 1500 horse available. And that is a lot of ponies for that little truck. Wouldn't think you'd need all that. But it's cool to have it, don't get me wrong, and it's got vent windows. You know, I'm a fan of the vent windows. Twin turbo with vent windows. I don't know if life gets any better than that. I love when they leave an opening so you can see the chassis and the rear end and all, because this truck is just as nice on the underside as it is on the top. It is a really, really, really nice truck, and I hate that it was in such a tight situation for shooting videos, because it sure deserved better than that. And it's one you'd walk by with the hood shut, you'd just think it was a nice, cool, clean square body. But it's really, really nice, really top of the line work, and all the decisions, right? Taste, talent, and money, and there it sits. You know, I love when they put turbos on things. I'm not loving the two I have on that Yukon, but eventually, Mr. Copeland, I think, is going to get it all worked out for me. But yeah, loaded with cool at the 2022 SEMA Show. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you ring the bell. Stop by ScottieDTV.com and subscribe over there. We'll make sure you get notified when I put out a new video. And there is a ton coming. I think I shot a little over 40 of them. I love the accent color. I love a million decisions sits in front of you, and I think they made every single one of them the exact right decision. So there you go, from the 2022 SEMA Show, a 1986 Chevy pickup truck, Pandemic. Hope y'all have enjoyed it. See ya! Hey y'all, make sure you subscribe to this channel and visit ScottieDTV.com for an easy way to search the hundreds of videos I have posted. Either click the link in the description or the one at the end of this video.